Hi there, my name is Louis Vasquez, and today I will be doing an informative speech on plastic pollution. Is plastic pollution destroying our world? This topic is important because many argue that if we continue our ways, that the world we live in can be put in jeopardy. What is plastic? Plastic is a type of material that can be used to make different items such as bags, bottles, and many other things. Plastics has many upsides as well as downsides. And when talking about plastic, the biggest problem that comes up is plastic pollution. What is plastic pollution? Plastic pollution is the accumulation of littering of plastic in different areas. Only a small percentage of plastic is recycled a year, while the rest of it is used, littered, or thrown away. With all these problems with plastic, people are thinking of ways and alternatives that they can use to limit this problem in the future. Alexander Parks was the first person to create plastic in 1862 in London, and one of the materials used in this plastic was an item called Parkinson, which allowed plastic to change its shape. Plastic is used in everyday items that will help people with their lives. However, it has a tremendous effect on the world. Some of these problems include littering, water pollution, plastic netting, and many others. Things that are affected by plastic pollution include people, animals, land, and oceans, which are all important to the world and the earth that we live in. Through extensive research done by many others, we find out that only 5% of the world's plastic is recycled a year. This becomes a problem because it makes us wonder, where does the other 95% go? Most of it is thrown away, littered, or just left in the land. And since it takes about 1,000 years for plastic to decompose, most of the plastic that's been created still exists today. And since it's non-biodegradable, it makes it difficult for the earth to consume it. Because of this issue, plastic bags and rules and regulations have been placed. For example, in California, plastic bags have been banned in all grocery shops in hopes of limiting this problem. Now people are required to bring their own reusable bags. Another rule that's been placed in different countries and states has been fines if you don't recycle. These rules are created to help alleviate the problem on plastic so that we might rise up to this issue and conquer it. It is also a safety for the environment that we live in. The creation of plastic has created many benefits. Some of these benefits include that it's durable, light, easy to mold and shape, as well as inexpensive and abundant than many of the other materials we use, such as such as paper or cloth. But it is also used for many causes, such as creating bottles, packaging, storage, utensils, and many other different things. Because of this product, people are able to participate in different causes which help make their lives easier. Along with all the pros that plastic provides, it also has a few cons as well. With its durability and long-lasting ability, it is difficult for plastic to decompose. Plastic pollution is a bigger issue due to the lack of ways to get rid of it. Because it contains so many different chemicals, we are unable to burn it, because burning it would cause the air to get polluted. Other complications include that people don't recycle and that it's non-biodegradable. And it's difficult to get rid of plastic because it's just left in different places that affect the land, people, and animals. Plastic also breaks up into tiny little pieces, which is hazardous to the sea animals into the world, which creates bigger problems and issues. Now countries are wondering what steps are necessary in order to solve this problem. Plastic pollution has caused others to think of alternatives to limit these problems. Recycling or reusing plastic can help the world from wasting this material. Cleaning up plastic from trash and the land and the ocean can also make it less difficult, because it's difficult now to clean up this whole environment since it's not concentrated in one spot. It's all over the place. Another alternative can be to use bioplastics, which are biodegradable and not made of real plastic, which allows it to disintegrate on its earth on its own. And this would be decrease our dependence on using fossil fuels. This alternative would help to decrease this issue, and it makes this subject more important. Plastic pollution poses a risk to people, animals, and the environment. Concern for environmental health is a key for the protection of Mother Earth. People can move forward from this problem by participating in some of these solutions and alternatives. Now that the causes of the pollutions are recognized, the prevention path is next. By working together with plastic pollution will be a thing of the past. And when this issue is all behind us, the world will teach the next generation to make this world a better place. Thank you for your time.